today in front of me REALME 9 and I'll show you how to switch on this phone. In order to turn on this phone, you should press the power key button on the right side of your device and the power up volume button here on the left side of the device. So we should press them together for a couple of seconds, just 5 seconds, and after that we'll see here the power off menu, and now we can restart the device and we can power it off. So just to turn it off, you should click here to power off icon twice, and after that just we can see that the screen is dark, and that means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.